So we've captured our work environment by using a room plan and we've scanned that area and created this mini model. We've also looked at how we can add visual elements and 3D objects. But now let's take a look at some user interactivity. So the first one I've got here is a follow camera. Can you see the security camera there is actually following the user as he or she moves around the area. The second one is a proximity to camera. So when I get within a certain range of that camera, it's going to give an alarm system. So in Reality Composer, we can actually add those interactive elements with no coding, no programming, super easy. So you can see here I've got two behaviors. My first behavior here is where it's the camera is actually going to look at the user. So no matter where I walk within the scene in the real world, it's going to follow me. The second one is a little proximity to camera where when I get within a certain range, it's going to give off that alarm system. So it's super easy to build these simulations and these user interactivities with Reality Composer. And it's really adds value to what you're trying to create when you're viewing it in augmented reality. Paul Hamilton here from Using Technology Better.